Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a kitchen essential that promises to elevate your cooking game, the T-fal Ultimate Hard Anodized Nonstick Pots and Pan Set, the 14-piece collection in black. If you're looking to upgrade your cookware and want something that's built to last, with smart features to help you achieve perfect results, then stick around. Let's talk about durability first. T-fal highlights its hard anodized exterior and forged design, and this is a key selling point. Hard anodized aluminum is known for being significantly stronger and more durable than regular aluminum. It's resistant to corrosion, warping, and scratching, which means this set should hold up well to daily use and even a bit of abuse in the kitchen. The titanium reinforced non-stick coating is another important aspect. The promise here is that food will slide smoothly, making both cooking and cleanup a breeze. For anyone who dreads scrubbing burnt-on food, this is music to your ears. Now, for the sheer quantity and variety. This 14-piece set is quite comprehensive. You get an 8-inch and a 10.25-inch fry pan, perfect for everyday cooking tasks like frying eggs or sautéing vegetables. There's also an 11.5-inch fry pan that comes with a lid, adding versatility for simmering or keeping food warm. For griddle lovers, a 10.25-inch square griddle is included, ideal for pancakes or quesadillas. The saucepan collection includes a 1 quart, 2 quart, and a 3 quart size, all with lids. These are your go-to for sauces, boiling pasta, or making soups. And for larger meals, a substantial 5-quart Dutch oven with a lid is part of the package, great for stews, braises, and one-pot meals. Finally, there's a 3-quart steamer insert, and this can be used with some of the larger pots, adding another layer of functionality. It even has 2 side handles for easier handling. This is a generous assortment that should cover most home cooking needs. One of the standout features here is the patented Thermo-Spot Technology. T-fal's unique heat indicator, a red spot in the center of the pans, turns solid red when the pan is properly preheated. This is incredibly useful. Preheating is crucial for achieving even cooking and for the non-stick surface to perform at its best. Knowing exactly when your pan is ready takes the guesswork out of it and helps prevent food from sticking in the first place. It's a simple but effective innovation that can make a real difference in your cooking results. When it comes to handling, T-fal has incorporated riveted silicone handles. These are designed to provide a comfortable grip and stay cool on the stovetop. The lids are made of vented tempered glass, which is a great feature. You can easily monitor your food without lifting the lid, trapping heat and moisture inside, which is essential for efficient cooking. The overall design seems focused on providing a practical and user-friendly experience. Let's talk about versatility and limitations. This cookware is oven and broiler safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and the lids are safe up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This means you can start a dish on the stovetop and finish it in the oven, which is fantastic for many recipes. However, and this is an important detail, it is suitable for all stove tops. So, if you have an induction cooktop, this set won't be compatible. It's also dishwasher safe, which is a huge convenience for everyday cleanup. T-fal also offers a limited lifetime warranty, which provides some peace of mind for your investment. So, let's break down the pros and cons. The pros are numerous. The hard anodized construction offers excellent durability and scratch resistance. The titanium reinforced non-stick coating should make cooking and cleaning significantly easier. The comprehensive 14-piece set provides a wide range of options for various cooking tasks. The Thermo-Spot Technology is a genuinely useful feature for ensuring proper preheating. The silicone handles offer a comfortable and safe grip, and the vented glass lids are practical. Oven and dishwasher. Safety add to its convenience. On the con side, the most significant limitation is its incompatibility with induction cooktops. If you rely on induction, you'll need to look elsewhere. While the non-stick coating is a major plus, like all non-stick surfaces, its longevity can depend on how it's cared for, even with the titanium reinforcement. It's important to avoid metal utensils and to clean it gently to maintain its performance over time. Also, while oven safe up to 400 degrees is good, it's not the highest temperature rating available on the market, but it should be sufficient for most common oven tasks. In conclusion, the T-fal Ultimate Hard Anodized Nonstick Pots and Pans set is a strong contender for anyone looking for a durable, versatile, and user-friendly cookware collection. Its robust construction, effective non-stick capabilities, and smart features like the Thermo-Spot indicator make it a valuable addition to most kitchens. The sheer number of pieces included ensures you'll have the right tool for almost any cooking challenge, provided you don't have an induction stovetop. It strikes a good balance between performance, convenience, and durability, making it a worthy investment for everyday culinary adventures. Link in the description.